What's up, guys? Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as MrHairArt and Coach, and we are in the security room of the Mobile Salon Network headquarters, which is Mobile Salon headquarters. I came to give you guys a message. We have a limited amount of space openings for the hair artist, so you guys need to go to our website at hairartgallery.com and sign up. The application is still open, so you need to sign up today. Or go to mobalon.com, mobalon.com, short for Mobile Salons. Go to mobalon.com and sign up. The application is at the top of the page, so click on it, fill it out, and submit it back in to us, and someone will contact you and let you know what the next steps are. All right, go ahead and contact us now so that you can get on the road to being a hair artist, a licensed and certified hair artist, doing contracts or being able to do contracts through us to big name corporate sponsors, doing hair art designs and hair art advertising for big sponsors, big corporate companies, literally ranging from 10, 20, $50,000 upwards of $100,000 contracts doing hair, doing actual hair art. So yes, this is where you need to be if you want to make the big money, the big bucks, doing hair art. Contact us today. Our 800 number is 844-MOBILON. 844-MOBILON. That's 844-662-2566. All right. Contact us today, guys. We're standing by to get the last few hair artists signed up. We have our own hair art school, and we're signing up the last barbers and stylists to do to become licensed hair artists. We're signing you guys up now. So go to our website and sign up, and we'll see you then. Peace.